Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Well, hey friends, it's 3 or 4 in the afternoon, and my plan had been to get down here on the sawmill shed and get some of these rafters put up, but things don't always go as planned. This morning we was heading to church for Monday morning prayer, and we got down on the highway and we noticed that B was laying in the middle of the road. That's our little black cat. And well, I don't have a lot of words. I normally don't get emotional, but it just was a sad day. But I will show you what how the earlier part of the day went, and then maybe we'll get back and we may work on this again in a little bit. So. Well, folks, it's kind of a sad morning. We lost our first farm animal, and time to go dig a grave. We're going to miss our little fur friend. She loved the park area, so we thought this would be a fitting place for her. So anyway, I don't have any more words. Sorry.
They ain't wide, are they?
Mm-mm. But they're not oak.
Oh, these are telephone poles?
Uh-huh. Well, we got 10 of the rafters up. I still have to put the hangers on the rear of those 10 though. So maybe tomorrow we'll get the rest of them up. We have about 7 more to go. Good progress. Blue, what you doing there, buddy? What you doing? Huh? Well, folks, it turned out I was about 2 or 3 2x6s short. So I already had this sawed up into a Kent, so I'm gonna make a couple more 2x6s out of this. Well, folks, it sure is nice to be able just to fire the mill up if you need a few more 2x6s. And as you can see from up there, well, I say you can see, let me double check. You probably can see a little bit better now. We only like 7 rafters having all the rafters up, so we're getting ready to lift those up and get those in place. Well, folks, we got 7 rafters we're getting ready to lift up. So I'm gonna have my son Joe to lift me up, and we'll get these in kind of just set up there, and then we'll get them fastened. Folks, I think I'm gonna call it a day and close this video out. If you'll notice, I got all the rafters up on the top here. That's looking good. So I've got some more milling to do so I can put the strapping across the top And once I get that done, I'm ready for the sheet metal. But this is a good place to end the video. And I want to say again, thank you so much for watching our channel. It means the world to us. And if you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button, like button. And also, just a quick reminder, we are doing a $100 gift card giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So check, I think it's 2 videos back, and you'll see all the rules. Look down in the description, and that tells you how to enter for that $100 gift card. And I'm expecting to be able to give that away to somebody in the next few weeks. So take care, God bless, and we'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.